Hey friends, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to make batch of Indian flag with the help of waste material for 15th August. So let's start the video. So first, with the help of sandpaper, we are going to remove the paint of this cap. But अगर आपके पास sandpaper नहीं है, then you can directly apply the base coat. But I will not recommend that because after using sandpaper, the base coat which you are applying will sit properly. After removing the paint properly, we are going to apply base coat of white acrylic. After applying base coat, let it dry for some time. After drying the base coat, we will fill the back of the cap with glue, and after filling the back, we will put safety pin on that and we will keep that for drying. After drying, we will see the direction of the pin, and after that we will apply the three colors of the Indian flag. Why I said three colors? Because white is already there on this cap as base coat. So the first color is done. Now we will apply the second color. And after applying the colors, we will take a tool, or you can use pen's body. So we are going to apply color on the tip of the circular tool. Then we are going to place that tool in the center, so you will get the perfect circle. And after that, we will add one dot in between the circle. And after adding dot, we will add lines in between the circle. So it's ready. And one more thing, that is you can make different types of batches with the help of different material like plastic caps and metal caps. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Till then, be safe and be happy. Bye.